In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy or place an order from Costco online. First, open your web browser and head to Costco.com, the official Costco website. This is where you'll browse products, compare options, and place your order securely. From the homepage, you can either search directly or browse by category. If you know what you want, use the search bar at the top. Type a simple keyword like laptop or frozen food, then press enter. You can refine your results with filters such as price, brand, or features to narrow things down quickly. If you're exploring, browse through categories like electronics, appliances, grocery and household, or health and beauty. Browsing is great when you're comparing similar items or looking for deals. When you spot something interesting, open the product page and click See Details. Take a moment to review the full description, specifications, size or quantity, and any purchase limits. Check ratings and reviews to understand real user experiences. Some items show whether the price includes shipping, and many will note if there are delivery restrictions. This page is also where you'll choose how you want to receive the item. Look for the How to Get It section. Here, you'll usually see delivery options like 2-day delivery and same-day delivery. 2-day delivery typically applies to non-perishable items and may include shipping in the price, while same-day options often cover fresh or frozen items and are based on your zip code and local availability. Fees, order minimums, and time windows can vary by location, so enter your address or zip code if prompted to see accurate options. Once you're happy with the item and delivery method, click Add to put it in your cart. A confirmation typically appears so you know the item was added. If you want to keep shopping, choose Continue Shopping and repeat the process for any other products you need. When you're finished adding items, go to your cart at the top right of the page. Review everything carefully. Confirm product quantities, remove anything you no longer want, and check estimated delivery dates, fees, and totals. If an item shows a special handling note or a limit, make sure it fits your needs before moving on. When everything looks good, select Proceed to Checkout. You may be asked to sign in and confirm your membership before finalizing. From there, you'll follow the on-screen prompts to complete your order with your preferred delivery option. And that's it. You've learned how to search, compare, choose a delivery method, add items, review your cart, and proceed to checkout on Costco's website.